High blood pressure is one of the biggest silent killers in the world today. Millions of people live with it every day, often without even realizing it. Doctors prescribe medications, lifestyle changes, and endless advice. But what if I told you there is a simple, science-backed exercise that doctors are now saying is one of the most powerful ways to lower blood pressure? And the best part? It requires no gym, no weights, and no complicated machines. Just your body, a little bit of focus, and a few minutes of your time. In this video, you will discover the secret of isometric exercises. These are static contractions where you hold your muscles tight without moving. No repetitions, no running, no jumping, just stillness. Yet the results are extraordinary. Studies show that just a few sessions a week can significantly lower blood pressure, strengthen your heart, and improve overall health. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple plan you can start today, at home, to protect your heart and transform your life. Before we dive in, drop a comment below with your name and the city you're watching from. I love seeing how far this community reaches. Let's begin with the most famous and doctor-recommended move: the wall sit. Sit with your back pressed against the wall, knees bent at 90 degrees, as if you are sitting in an invisible chair. Hold this position and breathe steadily. At first, you might only manage 15 or 20 seconds. That's fine. Over time, aim for 30, 40, even 60 seconds. The tension in your thighs and core is what makes this work. The simple act of holding this posture trains your blood vessels to relax, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. The second exercise is the plank. Get into position on your forearms and toes, keeping your body as straight as a board. Your hips should not sag or rise too high. Focus on steady breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Start with 20 seconds and slowly progress. The plank not only strengthens your core, but also reduces stiffness in the arteries, a key factor in hypertension. Third is the isometric hand grip. You can do this with a small ball, a rolled-up towel, or even just pressing your palms together firmly. Squeeze at about 30% of your maximum strength and hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Then relax and repeat. Research shows that hand grip exercises are incredibly effective for lowering both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. It's simple, discreet, and can be done at your desk, on the couch, or even in bed. The fourth exercise is the glute bridge hold. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the ground, and lift your hips until your shoulders, hips, and knees form a straight line. Hold this position, contracting your glutes and keeping your core tight. The glute bridge engages large muscle groups, improves blood flow, and supports spinal health, all while contributing to overall cardiovascular wellness. Number 5 is the dead hang. If you have access to a pull-up bar, simply hang with your arms extended, letting your body weight stretch your spine and shoulders. Hold as long as you can while breathing steadily. If you don't have a bar, don't worry. Replace it with the bird dog hold on the floor, extending opposite arm and leg while keeping your core engaged. Both versions enhance circulation, build endurance, and support blood pressure regulation. The sixth and final move is the side plank. Lie on your side with your elbow directly under your shoulder and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds per side. This not only strengthens your core and spine, but also improves balance and cardiovascular endurance. Now, here's the important part. How do you put it all together? Start with 3 sessions per week. Choose 4 of these exercises and hold each for 20 seconds. Rest for 1 minute between them. Over time, increase to 5 or 6 exercises and gradually extend your holds up to 40 or 60 seconds. This steady progression trains your body to adapt, lowers stress hormones, and improves the health of your blood vessels. While these moves are powerful, remember that consistency is the real secret. Doing them once won't change much, but making them part of your routine, just 10 minutes a day, can completely transform your cardiovascular health. Imagine reducing your blood pressure naturally, without extra medication, and protecting yourself from strokes, heart attacks, and kidney problems. That is the power of isometrics. A quick note of caution: if you have severe hypertension or any medical condition, consult your doctor before beginning. Isometric training is generally safe, but your health always comes first. And here's a bonus tip. Pair your exercises with slow, deep breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale slowly through your mouth. This breathing rhythm not only keeps you calm while holding positions, but it also reduces blood pressure by calming your nervous system. So, if you want to protect your heart, boost your energy, and lower your blood pressure, without spending hours in the gym, these simple isometric holds are the secret weapon doctors are finally talking about. Please subscribe to try them today and share your experience in the comments. I want to hear how long you managed your first wall sit or how strong you felt during your plank. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical, science-based health strategies that you can use at home. And if you want to discover a few dangerous mistakes people make when exercising with high blood pressure, click on the video appearing right now on your screen. Thank you for watching, and may you stay strong, healthy, and blessed.